So I know Viettel as the biggest operator in Vietnam. So I'm very excited to know about what do you see about the IoT opportunity in Vietnam as an operator Viettel?
There is no Viettel is the biggest operator in Vietnam, and for us, leading into the 4.0 industrial is very important for Vietnam, and we are preparing very carefully. We positioning Viettel is a top and pioneer operator in Vietnam, which we have to deploy the IoT technologies like Narrowband IoT, LTM, is very early in Vietnam and to support the industrial development. Currently, we already deploy in small scale in the two big cities, Hà Nội and Ho Chi Minh City, the Narrowband IoT infrastructure. And then in the first half of 2018, we will deploy in the two big cities, Hà Nội and Ho Chi Minh City, and start to do the trial for the LTM. So we are very confident. We prepare also the Narrowband, the IoT platform, which can be enablement for the ecosystem in Vietnam to booming the IoT service in very near future. So that is a vision that we want to be preparing very solid infrastructures for our country and support the new technology and new revolution in 4.0 industrial process. Thank you.
You can watch it. I ask second question.
Yeah.
So how do you see as an operator any key advantage for you to help the country for the transformation using the IoT technology? I know you mentioned smart city and industrial 4.0, right?
Yeah. I think we have several advantage. First, the leaders, the top leaders of our company, the presidents, the VP, the CTO, is very clear mindset about how do we deploy the new technologies. We need to focus on that in order to keep the pace for company developments, to keep the position is number one operator in Vietnam. We need to change, we need to deploy the new technology into it. And few of those is IoT, Narrowband IoT, LTM, cloud computing, some cloud, some fintech technologies, many new technology we are preparing to deploy for Viettel. It is the first advantage. We have very clear roadmap to follow from the top leaders. The second one is Viettel long-term is preparing very solid and very strong infrastructures. We have more than around 40,000 base stations covering more than 90, from 95 to 97% of the Vietnam population for the 4G network. From the big city even to the very far rural areas that people have a coverage. Besides that, we have a very large cable network, which also very good, very convenient for us to deploy the IoT service and broadband service. So with very solid infrastructure, that is that we are ready to just like kick in and trigger the Narrowband IoT and LTM very fast, very quickly in any place in Vietnam where the demand is coming. We need to guide the market that how you should utilize IoT and service and technology to support our life. So that is the key thing that even in the meeting today I learned from the message. We need to change, we need to broadcast our technology and our service to the market in order to make it grow faster. So I think it is a second advantage. The third advantage is we have our own technology built in-house for that. And we have a complete solution set, including the platform, including the module, including the um, network. So everything combined together, giving us the whole solution set that we can ready to provide to the market very soon. And the last one is we have a very strong human resources. which including more than 3,000 R&D engineers now focusing on the new technology, including the IoT, including the cloud, including the software and hardware, and 5G also. I think that is very promising and very good resources that give us the confidence that we can control and fully commitment to the roadmap that we already got from the top leaders of the country, that we will be success in the futures for the IoT and new technology transformation for Viettel Group. Thank you. Yeah.
Last question.
Yeah.
So I know Viettel have a strong R&D team and develop a lot of services.
Yeah.
So what are the major leading IoT services being developed by Viettel? Can you share something with us?
Can you tell me again about your questions?
What kind of services of IoT you are developing right now? Anything can be shared with us?
I think the IoT service is very diversity. But for Viettel, we choose some of the key IoT service that we are focusing now is for the smart city. We build a big smart city centers that ready to provide to several big cities. We sign with several, I think a lot of local government in Vietnam about the cooperations between Viettel and the local government to build the smart city solutions. Inside smart city solution, you know that we have very different solutions like metering, like location tracking, like street parking, air monitoring, and many different solutions like that, and it gives us the whole solution set. So since the commitment is very high between Viettel and local government, then we focus on build up the solution. We have a very specific team focusing on the smart city, and from there then we can grow up our solution set. We build our ecosystem with many new startup company to provide a solution for us also. And whenever we go to the big event like Mobile World Congress like this, one of our tasks also here is to open our connection to the world. We invite the new startup and solution company to Vietnam and to Viettel to cooperate with us to provide a good solution for our market. So that is the way we develop the IoT solution. Thank you.